I think some of the good examples, and you mentioned a couple there, what drives those changes and what brings the customer to a point where they have to make a decision to change something is, the major initiatives like moving from on-prem to cloud-based, application development and adopting new modern development processes, CI/CD pipeline, infrastructure as code, containerized infrastructure versus traditional, server and traditional infrastructure in the cloud. These are major events that trigger the decisions to move to a more scalable, more future-proof solution. AI is another great example where it really hits the data space much harder than anything else because it is directly, impacting the data access and so on. So that's another good example where when they're making significant investments in AI technologies, they want to make sure that before they continue expanding and scaling that technology, they solve the data access problem and not have to do it after some breach or after some, incident. That's also triggering the evaluation of can we protect the Snowflake data, that has our crown jewels. How do we protect it for internal employees, the LLMs, the partners and their LLMs that are being, allowed into this data lake? There's a complex mesh of different use cases, but these are typically big events that are triggering the decisions.